Hello, beautiful people. A warm welcome back to I Heart Kenya. I hope that you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Welcome back. This is part 2 of the look that we did back in 2022. So the first part of this video is up on my channel. It's a Kylie Jenner inspired smoky eye look. You can go and check that out. To begin with, I'm going to take this black liner pencil and I'm going to use that to draw on my waterline. You can use any liner pencil provided it's smooth and it glides easily on the eyes so that it doesn't cause any irritation. So here I'm just getting rid of the setting powder that I used to set underneath my eyes. And then we're going to go straight into the eyes. So for my under eye, I'm going in with a green shimmer eyeshadow. I'm going to pat that under my eye until I get the desired intensity of the shimmer eyeshadow. You can use any color eyeshadow that you have, it doesn't have to be green. For the upper lid, I'm going in with this silver-ish eyeshadow and I'm just patting that on. And then I'm taking my brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that it can be smooth and blend in with the rest of the eyeshadow. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other eye. So to finish up this look, I decided to go for a bold red sultry lip and it was given. I added a bit of black liner on top of the red lippy just to bring in a little bit more gradient. Just a side note, the colors I used for this look were inspired by the colors of the Kenyan flag. We have the black, we have green, white and red, which are all colors of the Kenyan flag. Let me know if you liked this look, and if you did, please leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe, share, and yeah, I'll see you all next time.
Know you bad when you can post from any angle. Push it, click, click. Yeah.